Hey everyone, it's Mira B, founder of Unbroken Consulting and an approved Follow Boss consultant. We work with real estate agents and teams and help them build and set up unbroken, strategic, customized Follow Boss setup. In this video, and as part of our Follow Boss series that I'm recording for you, we're gonna dive deep into Follow Boss calendar and how it works and what are all the features in it, best practices, everything. We're gonna dive deep into that. If we have time, we may cover also appointments in Follow Boss. So if you're ready, let's dive in. I'm gonna share my screen and we can get started right away. Okay, so if in order for you to go to your calendar, you will need to toggle this tab calendar right here. If you have your account connected, so actually let me use an actual calendar that my account is connected to. Okay, here we go. So this is my another Follow Boss account that I have. And this is how my calendar looks like. You'll be able to see all the days from here. You'll be able to see your schedule. You'll be able to see filters. So if you want to see like only appointments or the tasks or birthdays or closing anniversaries or deal closing, you'll be able to see it from here, which is great features that they are having the filters. Now you could also see it in terms of like what do you have for today, or what do you have in a weekly basis, like 5 days in a row, or what do you have on a monthly basis. So check it out from a month point of view. Now if I want to add an appointment, I could click here and I could just add an appointment. I could call it a test. I could select the day, the time. I could make sure you want to make sure that you have the right time zone for it. If it's an all-day event, you could have an all-day event. If it's through like a certain location, let's say this is a location that I know, it's called Fika Coffee. You will need to, the address does not show up for some reason. You'll need to copy to add the location in here if it's a physical location. If it's an, let's say it's, you're meeting them through Zoom or through Google Meet or something, you could actually get the link for the meeting, which I can show you an example of how it looks like. Calendar, and then I want to show you, here is an example of a link through Zoom, and then I could just like paste it right here. You will be able to invite people from here. So if I want to invite, let's say someone, it should show up here. Let's say Dan. Yeah, it's not pulling up. Let me try another account. Maybe it will work. 1 second. Okay, so this is a test. If I want to invite another another team member, I could do it from here. If I want to invite a client, it does not show. Yeah, if I want, yeah, it should show up. So if I want to invite a client, I could add their contact information here. I could set up the type of this event. So and I'm gonna show you in the back end how you can set up the type, and you would be able to set up the outcome after you're done with the meeting. If you have any notes that you want to share with them, you could just insert it here. And then the great feature about using Follow Boss appointments is that it will automatically send them email and text reminder. You just need to check this box for it, and then it will automatically do that for you. Awesome feature, and I think everyone should take advantage of that. I love this feature a lot, so I'm gonna select it and then click on create an appointment. So the appointment has been created with a Zoom link, and it's just right here. If I want to delete it, I would click here and delete it. If I want to edit it, I would click here and edit it. So that's pretty much it. You should be able to like if you want to like I mentioned, like if you want to toggle and you check today, what do you have on your calendar today, you'll be able to see it. Right now I'm seeing for everyone, but I could also see what I have only for myself. If you want to see everyone else's calendar, you could view it from here. One thing that I've seen some agents do is that if you want to, if there's an ISA and you want to book an appointment for someone, then the agent can block certain times until like on their calendar, and let's say like from 11 to 1, let's say from 1 to 4, let's say they always do appointments So they are blocking this for appointments like meeting with customers, and then you'll be able to schedule on top of this for them. The ISA will be able to schedule on top of this for them if you want to. So great feature to do if you want to be more organized. Using your calendar will be huge, and now I'm going to be recording another video separately on how to manage your calendar as a real estate agent or a team, and what is the importance of using your calendar and just going about your day from your calendar. It's a huge thing. So for that one, for the sake of this video, I'm showing you like that's an option. If you have an ISA, you could have them schedule appointments for your team. They would just need to know that that team is open during those times, and they would just like book an appointment. Some people doesn't like that option because they want things to be a little bit more competitive, so they want to text on WhatsApp or Slack and say like who's available, and whoever responds first gets the appointment. So this is also another option that you could have. So there are so many options that you could do that, and we can talk about it in another video. If I want to add an appointment as well, just generally, I could just click here and add it. If I want to add an appointment or schedule an appointment specifically on a client profile, I'll just need to be on the client or lead profile and just click here. And the same thing that we did before, we will just schedule it here. And it should show up here. So I'm gonna do a test. Everything is in there. I'm just gonna click send email and text reminders. And as you can see, it's right here. If you want, so when we were scheduling the meeting, I talked to you about there is the feature where you can have set an appointment and an outcome. So with that one, and let me share something else. This is 1 second. I'm sharing. Okay, I'm gonna share this tab instead. So in order for you to edit in order for you to edit the appointments type or outcome, what you need to do is you need to go to admin from here, and then you click here, and then you go to appointments, and then when you click on appointments, you can add as many types of appointments as you want to. So for example, here I have like buyer consultation, listing, seller consultation. I could edit it from here, or I could add another type from here. So I'm gonna delete this one because we really don't need it. For example, if you want to see what's the appointment outcome, so you can have like no show, working with buyer, listing obtained, or scheduled a second appointment. You can add as many as you want to from here as well. And if I go here, click on appointments, you'll be able to see that now the set type is different and the outcome is different as well. You wouldn't select the outcome the outcome will only be selected after you're done with the appointment itself, but you'll be able to see the type from here. Calendar is a great feature to use. You'll be able to see all your calendars, again, all your tasks as well may show up here. So I think it was showing up here for us. So tasks. So if you remember, we had that task, that this is a task to test, and it was showing up here, and it's a different color. It's in yellow. So from here, it's in yellow, and then I could mark it as done once I'm done with it, and it's gonna just do this dash for it. Calendar is a great feature to use in Follow Up Boss. It shows you everything. You should, as a team leader, you should be able also to check other people's calendars from here. So yeah, that was about it for the calendar part. If you have any questions or about appointments or calendar, please feel free to reach out to us. You can email me at info@unbrokenconsulting.com, or reach out or check our website www.unbrokenconsulting.com. At the top right corner, you'll find Ask Mira, and then you could just drop a message for me, drop a message for me. Give me your question, and then I will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours, answering all your questions in regards to Follow Up Boss and how to use it. So yeah, that was it for this video. Hope that helps, and if you need anything, feel free to reach out. Thanks.